Ferrari is a name the world knows. But how well do we really know the man behind the legend? Enzo Ferrari has been portrayed in countless films, documentaries, and interviews. But yet something is missing. What if the full story, the real Enzo Ferrari, has been hiding in plain sight all along? Are you ready to look beyond the myth, beyond the noise, and uncover the real legacy of Enzo Ferrari like never before? Stay tuned, it will be revealed later at the Enzo Ferrari Museum. Today, I'll take you on a journey as a Ferrari 296 GTS owner who received an exclusive invitation from Ferrari to visit the iconic Ferrari factory. I explored Maranello, Italy, the hometown of Ferrari, toured the legendary factory and museum, and even dined at the same restaurants Enzo Ferrari himself once frequented. But here's where it gets even more incredible. During my visit, before the F80 was ever revealed, I witnessed the elusive Ferrari F80 prototype right at the factory gates. Camouflaged and mysterious, it had just rolled out for a secret test run and I managed to capture it on film. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now we know just how incredible the F80 hypercar truly is. Its V6 engine shares some DNA with the one in my 296 GTS, but it's even more powerful. The 296 is already a rocket ship that never stops accelerating, and the F80 takes that to an entirely new level. Take a look at this stunning car in action. Enzo Ferrari's story and legacy truly came to life when I visited the Enzo Ferrari Museum in Modena, Italy. Join me to explore this must-see destination, where the Ferrari legend is told in vivid detail. Enzo's story is told through the cars he built and drove. In my view, it's the best way to experience his legacy beyond the myth and the noise. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. The cars on display create a true roadmap of Ferrari's journey, and stepping inside means stepping into the life, passion, and vision of Enzo Ferrari himself, the man who shaped automotive history. Enjoy the stunning cars and see if you can identify them from the clues in the video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. The workshop at the Enzo Ferrari Museum is the original space where Alfredo Ferrari, Enzo Ferrari's father, crafted early engines. Carefully restored, this authentic workshop offers visitors a rare and intimate glimpse into the origins of Enzo's lifelong passion for automobiles. At its core, the SF90's chassis is a masterpiece of lightweight engineering. Crafted from a blend of aluminum and carbon fiber, the chassis delivers remarkable stiffness while keeping weight to a minimum. This allows the SF90 to handle with razor-sharp precision, whether carving through corners or accelerating down a straight. Every curve of the chassis has been designed to lower the center of gravity, improve aerodynamics, and enhance structural integrity, all without sacrificing comfort. But what truly sets the SF90 apart is its advanced hybrid powertrain. Under the hood lies a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, one of the most powerful V8 Ferrari has ever built, producing over 780 horsepower. But that's just part of the story. Integrated into the system are 3 electric motors. One mounted at the rear between the engine and the gearbox, and 2 more powering the front wheels. Together, these motors add an additional 220 horsepower, bringing the total output to a staggering 1,000 horsepower. This hybrid setup transforms the SF90 into an all-wheel drive supercar, the first in Ferrari's history. The instant torque from the electric motors delivers lightning-fast acceleration, while the traditional V8 provides the raw, aggressive sound Ferrari is known for. The battery pack allows for short bursts of silent, electric-only driving in e-drive mode, ideal for city streets. But switch to race or qualify mode, and all systems work together to unleash the full fury of this hybrid beast. The SF90's chassis and powertrain are more than just separate components. They're engineered to work as a single, integrated system. The rigid yet lightweight frame not only supports the hybrid powertrain but helps distribute its massive power evenly to all 4 wheels. And the result? A supercar capable of 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, blending electric innovation with classic Ferrari soul. My 296 GTS hybrid engine is where Ferrari's future meets its racing heritage. Some of its DNA is shared with the mighty F80 engine, though the 296 is in its own league. At its heart is a compact 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing an impressive 663 horsepower on its own. The electric motor, mounted between the V6 engine and the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, adds an extra 167 horsepower. Combined, they deliver a staggering 830 horsepower in making the 296 GTS a rocket ship with non-stop acceleration. Did you know Enzo Ferrari started his career as a race car driver for Alfa Romeo back in the 1920s? If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about future videos.